Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to quickly and easily fold a fitted sheet so you can stack them neatly in your closet. Start with your hands inside the corner of the long side. Make sure the sheets are inside out so that the seams are sticking out and facing you. The elastic should be facing you as well. Then transfer the right corner onto and over the left one. Switch hands so that your left hand is free to pick up the other two corners. Lay the bed sheet down onto the bed. The elastic should create a U shape. Then adjust the sheet so that it is somewhat rectangular. Fold the top a third of the way down, then fold the bottom a third of the way up. From here, fold the whole sheet in half, then into thirds, and now you're done. Easy.